If you're looking for a smarter way to keep your home comfortable and your energy costs in check, heat pumps are a great option. Here are 10 of the most common questions we receive about heat pumps. 1. What is a heat pump? A heat pump moves heat instead of creating it, bringing warmth in during winter and pushing heat out in summer for efficient, year-round comfort. 2. How well do heat pumps work in Colorado's cold winters? Modern models perform well even near or below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and pairing with a furnace ensures reliable backup on the coldest days. 3. Are heat pumps energy efficient? Yes. Since they transfer heat instead of burning fuel, they use less energy, lower bills, and support Colorado's clean energy goals. 4. Will a heat pump save me money? Most homeowners see lower yearly heating and cooling costs, especially when upgrading from older systems. 5. Do heat pumps need lots of maintenance? Not much, just change filters regularly and schedule annual tune-ups to keep things running smoothly. 6. Can heat pumps provide cool air in summer? Absolutely. One system keeps you warm in winter and cool in summer for simple, consistent comfort. 7. Are heat pumps noisy? No. Modern designs are quieter than traditional systems, so you can enjoy peace and comfort. 8. What is the lifespan of a heat pump? With regular maintenance, most last 15 years or more. 9. Are rebates or incentives available for Colorado homeowners? Yes. Rebates and tax credits are available, and will help you navigate your options. 10. Who should install my heat pump? Always choose certified professionals. Our NATE certified team provides expert, neighborly service you can trust. Heat pumps deliver reliable, efficient comfort across South Denver season after season. Interested in more information about heat pumps? Since 2001, Indoor Air Quality has provided heating and cooling services to homeowners in Centennial, Aurora, Denver, Highlands Ranch, and the greater Denver metro area. Contact us for more information and a free quote.